In this video, we're gonna show you how to send money to Royal Bank of Canada. First of all, open the Royal Bank of Canada's mobile banking app. Now, once you have done that, simply log into your account. Once you are logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you will have to tap on the Move Money option, which is on the bottom side of the screen. Now you will taken to this page where you will have to tap on third option, which is Send and enter a transfer. Now you will be taken to the Send Money. First of all, you will have to select from which account you will be sending your money. So simply tap on this drop down arrow right over here. Now select from which account you will be sending your money. Of this example, I will choose my checking account. Now once you have done that, select the amount how much you want to send. Now once you have done that, simply tap on the option done. After that, select the recipient. Now if you already have a recipient set up over here, you won't have to add, but if you don't have a recipient set up, you will have to tap on the option add, which is right over here. Now once you have done that, tap on the recipient whom you want to send, and you can choose how you can the recipient. You can either notify them by email, SMS, or you can notify them by both. For his example, these examples, I will simply choose email. Now once you have done that, if you want, you can write a message, but if you don't, you can simply skip this process and finally tap on the option continue. Now you scroll down and then tap on the option set now, and there you have it. That is basically how you can send money to Royal Bank of Canada.